Now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2015 for 2 marks. The question is, which one of the following hash functions on integers will distribute keys most uniformly over 10 buckets? So there are 10 buckets, and the buckets are numbered something like 0, 1, 2, something like this till 9. So there are 10 such buckets. Typical hashing, right? For I ranging from 0 to 2020. So right now we will not care about that. We will simply understand that okay, and for any I, what is going to be the for we will just check for initial some i's, and then we will understand that how they are going to behave for all the values. Firstly, let's check for some values. So let's say initially I is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we'll just check for this much right now. So see here, everywhere mod 10 is there, which means that basically we are doing something like I square and then taking mod 10, which means the last digit of I square. Again we are doing I cube and then taking mod 10, which means this is the last digit of I cube. So basically we are doing I square, I cube, something like this we are doing, and at the end we are just taking the last one digit. So if we have to just take last one digit, then why to calculate the entire? So why? So for example, 9 square is 81, so we don't need to write 81. Simply 1 is enough for us, because that is going to be the hash, right? So let's start and fill in all these values. So my point is that here 0 square is going to be 0, 0 square is going to be 0, here 1 0 cube is going to be. So firstly let's fill in squares and then we will fill cubes. Okay, so 0 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, so 6 only, 5 square 5, 6 square 6 only, then 49, so 9 only, 64 and 81. So just we take the last digit. This is mod 10 is going to give this only. Let's talk about I cube. Okay, so I cube is basically 0, 1, okay, 8, and then 7, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, 3, 2, 9. Okay, okay, okay. Once we have done this, then after that let's understand that what is going to happen if we are going to fill this I square mod 10 in these buckets, and what is going to happen if we fill I cube mod 10 in these buckets. Firstly let's see I cube mod 10. Okay, so let's start with I is equal to 0. So this 0, it will go here. 1, so just check that whether anything can be filled in this one bucket or not. So in 0 it can be filled, in 1 this can be filled, in bucket 2 this can be filled, in bucket 3 this can be filled, bucket 4, bucket 5, bucket 6, bucket 7, bucket 8, bucket 9. Guess what? Uniformly all the values are again values between 0 to 10, 0 to 9. So basically all the first 10 values are here. So just there is a different arrangement, but basically each of the first 10 values has a one-to-one correspondence with some other value which is in between 0 to 9. Okay, so basically my point is that if you take the 10 first 10 integers, then as I is going to distribute randomly, uniformly, similarly I cube is also going to distribute most uniformly. Okay, but what is the question? The question is that which of the following hash functions is going to distribute the keys most uniformly over 10 buckets. As of now it looks like that I cube mod 10 is definitely a good one, because it looks like that it is definitely uniformly distributing it. So what about this 2020? See, basically for 10 we have seen, right? So next 10 will also have the same last digits and their last characters we can know in IQ, right? So definitely 2020 is again a multiple of 10. So basically we have to do this 202 times, and since in one time in the first 10 we have seen that it is distributing uniformly, in the second time also it will obviously distribute uniformly because the unit digits will be same. Similarly, the entire 202 times for entire value of 2020 the distribution will be uniform. But let's check other values also, that okay, so let's check that what are the other hash functions and how they are distributing. Firstly, let's check about I square. Okay, so in I square you will see that 0 is there, so 1 is actually many times, so 2 times are there, so 1 is there, but guess what, 2 is not there, see. Then actually 3 is also not there, then 4 is there, then 5 is there, then 6 is there, then guess what, 7 is also not there. Okay, then 8 is also not there, and then 9 is there. So we see that among these 10 buckets all the values are going in only 6 buckets, and there are 4 digits 2 3 7 8. There is nowhere to 2 3 7 8 here, so there will be no value going here. So basically we see that okay, so it is okay, not that much uniform. So out of 10 buckets, in 6 buckets values are going, and in 4 buckets values are not going at all. Okay, so this is the idea about I square mod 10. So definitely as of now this is not good, this is good, very good as of now, most uniform. What about 11 I square? When you think about it, 11 I square is basically you multiply this by 11, which means that the unit 0 into 11, 1 into 11, so unit digit is again 1. So here also the unit digit will be same, which means that mod 10 here also we are taking, so here also the last digit will only come, which means that here the value, the hash value here and here is both is going to be the same. So as in I square these values were not there, similarly in 11 I square also these values will not be there, and so it will not be that much uniform. So we can rule out this also. What about 12 I mod 10? Okay, now this is a good one. So basically what is happening, that whatever the value you are having, that you are multiplying by 12, which means that you are multiplying this by 12. So you are multiplying 2, right? 2 with unit digits. So basically I will just write here only. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. See, you understand, right? 9 into 2, 18. So 8 into 2, 16, that's why 6. So these are the unit digits of 12i. Now again we are taking mod 10, so we are just interested in the last digit, but here also we see that the distribution is not uniform. See, 0 is there, 1 is not there, 2 is there, 3 is not there. So similarly actually 5, 7 and 9 are not there. So basically here see 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Actually here only even numbers are there at the unit digit, and all the odd numbers are missing, which means that only 5 of the boxes, 5 of the buckets will be filled, and the rest of the 5 buckets will be actually completely empty for scenario of something like 12i mod 10. Okay, so this is also definitely a very bad hash function. So definitely the most uniform, in fact completely uniform as of now, is this one, and that's why B is the correct answer.